a Valentine's Day card from my grandma.
Oh, this is so sweet.
Oh, do you like it? Oh, let's open up the card. Can you open it up?
It's
What?
money.
It's money! How much is that?
That's one.
It's $1.
Yeah, that's $1.
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You say I love you.
I love you. I'm gonna do it again.
You want to put it in there and do it again? Oh, that was so sweet.
Let's do it again.
Oh, okay. You want help? Here. Hold on, let Mama help you.
Let me get the milk.
Okay. Well, if I can get it in there. Help Mommy. Okay. There you go.